Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were on exercise 13.4, that is from the chapter number 13, that is time. So in the today's session, I'm going to begin with the sum number 8. So in the last session, we had done up to question number 7, and now we are going to begin with question number 8 of exercise 13.4. So I'm going to write down the topic here, that is exercise 13.4, question number 8. So the question number 8 is, a train leaves Delhi on Monday at 1850 hours and reaches Mumbai at 1140 hours on Tuesday. How long is the journey? ओके तो कहते हैं एक ट्रेन है उसने दिल्ली मंडे को दिल्ली से वो चली 1850 आवर्स पे एंड रीचेज मुंबई एट 1140 आवर्स ऑन ट्यूसडे सो दैट मीन्स द ट्रेन हैज started from Delhi on Monday and it reaches it on Tuesday, that is on next day. It reached it reached Mumbai station, okay, on the next day, and the timing is 11:40 hours. Now what we need to do is, how long is the journey? So what was the time duration of the journey from Delhi to Mumbai? Okay, similarly as we have done in the previous question, similarly we are going to find out the time duration. Okay, okay, train leaves Delhi at train leaves Delhi at 1850 hours. 1850 hours. Train leaves Mumbai at 1140 hours. Okay, how long is the journey? Time taken. We need to find out the time taken. So it starts at 1850 hours on Monday and reaches on Tuesday. Okay. So first of all, we are going to calculate the time of Monday. Okay, time taken on Monday. Time taken on Monday, 1850 hours to 1900 hours. That is 10 minutes. Okay. Next, 1900 hours to 2400 hours. Okay, 1850 means शाम के 6:50. Okay, and 1900 means 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. Now 1900 to 2400 means 7 p.m. to 12 p.m. So 7 p.m, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 5 hours. तो ये मंडे का टाइम हो गया. That is 10 minutes, 5 hours. Now we will calculate the time duration on Tuesday. Okay. So on Tuesday it reaches 11:40 hours. That is 12 midnight to 1140 hours. कितना टाइम हुआ? That is 11 hours. 11 hours 40 minutes. 11 hour 40 minutes. So this is hour, this is minute, this is hour, this is minute. So now what is the question was, how long is the journey? So the total time duration of the journey is, this is 11 hours and this is 5 hours. So 11 plus 5, that is 16 hours. 10 plus 10 minutes plus 40 minutes, that is 50 minutes. लिखिए therefore total time duration of journey is 11 hours, 5 hours. This is 16 hours, 10 minutes, 40 minutes, that is 50 minutes. The total time duration of the journey is 16 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, and this is the solution for the question number 8. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 9. So the question number 9 is, a movie starts at 6:20 p.m. and lasts for 2 hours 50 minutes. What time does it ends? तो कहते एक मूवी है दैट स्टार्ट्स एट 6:20 p.m. वो शाम को 6:20 पे शुरू हुई एंड कितने टाइम ड्यूरेशन था उस मूवी का? दैट वाज 2 hours 50 minutes. एट व्हाट टाइम डज इट एंड? वो कितने बजे खत्म हुई? ओके, सो दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, टाइम ड्यूरेशन ऑफ मूवी. चलिए, okay, similarly we have to just add the time, nothing else. Okay, we will just keep on adding the time. लिखिए question number 9. Movie starts at 16:20 p.m. Duration of movie. कितनी देर की मूवी? The duration of movie is 2 hours 50 minutes. That is 2 hours 50 minutes. Okay, movie starts at 6:20 p.m. Duration of movie is 2 hours 50 minutes. Next, at what time does it end? Okay, movie ends at, okay, so now we are going to calculate the time duration. Time from time 2 hours 50 minutes. So 2 hours after 6:20 p.m. 2 hours after 6:20 p.m. that will be 7:20, 8:20. 2 hours after 6:20 p.m. is 8:20 p.m. Okay, so 2 hours we have calculated. Now next is 50 minutes. So 50 minutes after 8:20 p.m. 2 hours is done. Now 50 minutes are left. 50 minutes after 8:20 p.m. 50 minutes after 8:20 p.m. So that will be 9:10 p.m. Okay, so 50 minutes after 8:20 p.m. is 9:10 p.m. Now the question was, at what time does it end? Therefore, movie ends at 9:10 p.m. Full stop. Therefore, movie ends at 9:10 p.m. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 9. Okay, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chale. Moving next, question number 10. Moving next to the question number question number 10. The school starts at 7:30 a.m. and works for 6 hours 15 minutes. At what time does it close? Okay, a school starts at 7:30 a.m. and works for 6 hours 15 minutes. At what time does it end? Just like the previous question number 9, this question number 10 is also same. Okay, we need to calculate the time to at what time the school ends. Okay, what is the closing time of the school? Okay. Okay, school starts at 7:30 a.m. Duration of school, that is 6 hours 15 minutes. 6 hours 15 minutes. Okay, duration of school, that is 6 hours 15 minutes. Okay, time school time. Okay, so now we need to calculate the time. Okay, so the school starts at 7:30. Duration is 6 hours 15 minutes. So 6 hours after 7:30 a.m. 6 hours after 7:30 a.m. that is 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30 and 1:30. Again, 6 hours after 7:30 is 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30 and 1:30. So 6 hours after 7:30 a.m. is 1:30. That will be 1:30 a.m. or p.m. So that will be 1:30 p.m. Okay, so that is 1:30 p.m. Okay, after 12 noon it will be 1:30 p.m. Okay, now 15 minutes after 1:30. 15 minutes after 1:30 p.m. that is 1:45 p.m. 15 minutes after 1:30 is 1:45 p.m. So the question was, at what time does it close? Therefore, the school, therefore, the school, therefore, the school closes at 1:45 p.m. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 10 of exercise 13.4. You can pause the video and note it down in your notes. Chaliye, moving next to the, okay, so now with this we have completed exercise 13.4. So now we are going to begin with the next topic, that is finding the time. Okay, so next is the finding the time or interpreting the calendar, in which we are going to calculate the number of days, okay, that has been taken to perform some particular task or some particular work. Okay, so that is quite little bit the next topic is little bit more interesting than these one. Okay, what's other interesting and you are going to love it. Okay, chaliye, so let's begin with the next. Okay, so in this exercise 13.5, every question is different from the other one. Okay, so this is exercise 13.5. चलिए next. Okay, so the first question from the exercise 13.5 is find total days from 15th April to 30th April. तो 15th April से लेके 30th April तक कितने days हुए? Okay, so in this topic basically what we do, we calculate the number of days by subtracting and adding the numbers. Okay, oh, sorry, adding and subtracting the days, not numbers, by adding and subtracting the number of days. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. Okay, so the first is find total days from 15th April to 30th April. 15th April to 30th April. So 15 April से लेके 30th April तक कितने number of days हुए, that we need to calculate. So 30th April is the last day of the April. Okay, after that the 1st May is there. So number of days in April is 30. Number of days in April is equal to 30 days. Okay, number of days in April is 30 days. Now, how many days are from 50th April to 30th? So 30th April is the last day. Okay, last day होता है अप्रैल का. So that means 15 से लेके 30 अप्रैल तक हम सारे अप्रैल के डेज कवर करें, उससे पहले वाले हमने एक्सक्लूड किए हैं. Okay, so how many days that are not being included? So how many days? 15 अप्रैल से पहले कितने डेज हैं जो कि हमने इसमें नहीं लिए? तो 15 अप्रैल से कितने डेज हुए अप्रैल के? 14 डेज. Okay, so number of days before 15 April. Okay, तो 15 अप्रैल से पहले अप्रैल के कितने नंबर डेज हुए? 15 अप्रैल से लेके 1 to 14 अप्रैल तक कितने डेज हुए? दैट इज 14 डेज. ओके, इज इक्वल टू 14 days. So the total number of days of April is 30 and number of days before 15 April is 40. Now we need to calculate the number of days between 15 April to 30 April. So that means if we subtract the total number of days में से अगर हम जो number of days हमने नहीं लिए, that means 1 to 14 April तो जो number of days है वो हमने नहीं लिए, तो अगर उसको subtract कर देंगे you will get the total number of days from 15th to 30th April. अब देखो इसमें ये क्या आप ऐसे काउंट नहीं कर सकते 15, 16, 17, 18. No, we are not going to count like this. We are going to define the number of days by addition or subtraction in this unit. Sorry, in this exercise. Okay. So number of days in April is 30 days. Number of days before 15th April is 14 days. 15 अप्रैल से पहले कितने दिन हुए जो हमने include नहीं किए? That is 14 days. So number of days from 15 April to 30th April is equal to total number of days minus number of days not included. So 30 minus 14, that is 16 days. So 30 minus 14, that is 16 days. Now the question was how many days are between question was how many days from 15th April to 30th. Therefore there are 16 days from 15th April to 30th April. So therefore number of days is equal to 16 days. Total number of days 30. Number days before that has not been included. Okay, that is 14 and number of days from 15 to 30th is 30 minus जो total में से जो number of days हमने include नहीं किए हैं उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, you will get the number of days included, that is 16 days. Okay, so basically in this chapter every question is different from one another, so you have to pay very attention to what this specifically this exercise. Okay, and you will have to do this kinds of sums. Okay, so this is from a today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.